Hello, my name is Dr. Michael Roth, and in the next few moments I'd like to share with you a little bit about myself, my practice, as well as my philosophy about health. Then I'd like to teach you a technique that's very powerful, very simple, that will help you manage you and perhaps your family's stress levels. I've been a holistic chiropractor since 1985. My purpose is to inspire and educate and promote transformation in health, wellness, and recovery. I've written 2 books, and I have certifications in NET, Neuroemotional Technique, QNRT, Quantum Neurological Reset Therapy, and I also use NMT, Neuromodulation Technique. I specialize in treating acute and chronic pain, people who struggle with weight loss, as well as men who have issues with addiction. Now, I think you'd agree that in our country we have great hospitals with unbelievably sophisticated diagnostic equipment, able to diagnose all sorts of illnesses and diseases. And every other month the FDA comes out with a new drug to also manage or treat symptoms. Yet, cancer, heart disease, obesity and diabetes are all on the rise. Something is clearly not working. And I'd like you to consider what's not working is our lifestyle. What we eat, what we think, what we're drinking, and whether we move, exercise or not. And by altering our lifestyle, there's no doubt in my mind that we can totally transform our health individually as well as in our nation. Eat well, think well, move well, and drink well. Now I'd like to teach you a technique for stress. And I want you to know I use this in my office every day on almost everybody because most people come in are highly stressed out. It's very powerful, yet very simple. It will take you no more than 25 or 30 seconds. You could use it as often as you need to during the day, as often as you want. Here's how it works. I want everybody to clench your jaw. Not very tight, but just where there's tension on the jaw. You'll take it, and by the way, you'll keep tension on the jaw throughout this whole process. You'll take a couple of fingers and you'll rub the outer gluteal muscles 3 or 4 times, pressing into the muscle and rubbing, and then going up to the temples and rubbing, and then tapping that in. Jaw is still clenched. You'll pinch now the bridge of your nose, put your tongue on the roof of your mouth, and you tap. Keeping the bridge of the nose pinched, the tongue on the roof of the mouth, the jaw clenched, take your index and thumb and rub just on the outside and inside of the belly button, right and left, and rub. And then tap. Then take a couple of fingers and rub over your sternum 3 or 4 times, and then tap. And then finally, rub your throat. And then tap. That's it. Now, what happens is most people go, there's this incredible letdown because they've been holding so much tension in their body. Their breathing becomes more relaxed, much, much deeper. You can use this as often as you like. If you notice your breathing is shallow, if you notice you have a dry mouth, or if you notice you're not thinking really clearly, this is a great reboot for your system. Use it as often as you like. Share it with your family and friends. In closing, if you'd like more information, please go to my website at Roth, R-O-T-H, wellnesscenter.com. That's rothwellnesscenter.com. Thank you for taking the time and watching.